Hello everybody, and welcome back to Decor Tricks channel. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of small bathroom design. Whether you're dealing with a cozy apartment bathroom or a compact ensuite, we've got you covered with creative ideas and expert tips to transform limited space into a stunning oasis. Small bathrooms may present unique challenges, but they also offer endless opportunities for innovation. So, grab your notepads and let's embark on this journey to uncover the secrets of maximizing style and functionality in small bathroom design. Before we dive into the details, let's take a quick look at the challenges that come with small bathrooms. Limited space can often make it challenging to strike the right balance between functionality and aesthetics. But don't worry, we've got a host of solutions lined up for you. First up, let's talk about space-saving layouts. Planning is key when it comes to small bathroom design. Optimal placement of fixtures can make a world of difference. Consider strategic positioning of vanities, showers, and toilets to ensure a seamless flow and maximize every inch of space. Mirrors and lighting. Mirrors and lighting, two elements that hold immense power in a small bathroom. Mirrors can create the illusion of space and reflect light, making the room feel larger. And speaking of light, the right lighting fixtures can add warmth and charm. Now, let's tackle the challenge of storage. Clutter can easily accumulate in small bathrooms, so we've got some clever storage hacks for you. Wall-mounted cabinets, under-sink organizers, and creative shelving, these solutions will help keep your essentials organized and easily accessible. Color and texture. A well-thought-out color palette and texture can work wonders in a small bathroom. Lighter shades and carefully selected materials can visually open up the space, making it feel more inviting. Now, let's explore the concept of floating fixtures. When dealing with a small bathroom, creating a sense of openness is crucial. Floating vanities and sinks not only add a touch of modern elegance, but also create visual space by exposing more of the floor. This design trick can make your bathroom feel less cramped and more airy. Pocket doors. Ever thought about the impact of your bathroom door on space? Here's where pocket doors come to the rescue. Traditional swinging doors can eat up valuable square footage, but pocket doors slide neatly into the wall, maximizing both floor and wall space. This clever solution can instantly create a more open and spacious feel in your small bathroom. Incorporating transparent elements into your small bathroom design can create a sense of openness without compromising on style. Glass shower enclosures, clear acrylic or glass accessories, and even see-through furniture can visually expand the space by allowing light to flow freely. These transparent touches add a modern and sophisticated touch to your cozy bathroom retreat. Folding furniture. Let's dive into the world of folding furniture, a game-changer for small bathroom design. Folding shower seats, wall-mounted drop-leaf tables, and collapsible storage units offer the flexibility you need in a confined space. These pieces can be easily tucked away when not in use, freeing up valuable floor area and ensuring that your bathroom remains functional and uncluttered. Mirrored or metallic tiles can work wonders in a small bathroom by bouncing light around the room. These tiles not only add a touch of glamour, but also create an illusion of depth, making your bathroom feel more expansive. Get ready to dazzle with this brilliant design idea. Lastly, let's explore the versatility of multifunctional fixtures. These ingenious additions not only save space but also add a touch of luxury. We're talking about space-saving vanities, compact soaking tubs, and other innovative fixtures that will elevate your small bathroom design. Dear wonderful viewers, now you have it, a comprehensive guide to small bathroom design, maximizing space and style. By carefully considering layout, mirrors, lighting, storage, color, and multifunctional fixtures, you can create a bathroom that's both functional and visually stunning. Remember, no space is too small to be transformed into a cozy oasis. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe for more expert design tips. Thanks for joining us today. See you in the next video. Good luck!